How can I buy cryptocurrencies? When the cryptocurrency craze started with Bitcoin, the only way to get it was by mining it. Once there was a network of people committed to buying hardware and using electricity, they wanted to redeem what they had invested in the effort. They would exchange the newly minted Bitcoin for goods, services, or other currencies like the dollar. People would use online forums as rudimentary places to post requests to trade and sometimes even gather in person to trade. As cryptocurrency popularity increased, software and websites popped up to help facilitate buying cryptocurrency. Today, there are safer ways to purchase cryptocurrency. Many cities have physical ATMs that allow you to use US dollars to buy crypto. They typically print out what is called a paper wallet, which has a generated account number and a private key or password that allows you later to import those coins into your own wallet software. The responsibility to secure and store your cryptocurrency in your hands can have drawbacks based on your technical proficiency. For most people, probably the easiest and safest way to purchase cryptocurrencies is from a reputable exchange. Brokers like TradeStation Crypto have put safeguards in place designed to allow you to buy and store your crypto in a legal and safe manner. TradeStation Crypto is one of the first crypto platforms to offer a true online brokerage model to self-directed traders. It has continued to roll out new platform features, including crypto deposits and withdrawals, mobile trading, interest earning capabilities on eligible assets, and profit and loss (P&L) tracking capabilities. Opening an account with a broker like TradeStation Crypto is easy. Once accepted, you'd fund your account and then use the tools on the website to trade those dollars for the cryptocurrencies of your choice, making investing and holding cryptocurrencies simple. Join me in the next series of videos to go a bit deeper into how blockchains work.